The AirPods 2 are predicted to arrive in 2018. Here's everything we know so far. The AirPods were a bit of a laughingstock when they were first unveiled in 2016, with people comparing the smart earbuds to earrings, but their success was no laughing matter. In the run-up to Christmas 2017, the AirPods had sold out literally everywhere. They had disappeared from Apple, John Lewis, Argos and O2, making them impossible to find in the UK. The same story was felt abroad, with the AirPods completely selling out in the US, Australia, Canada, France, Germany, Italy, and Spain. AirPods 2 release date. Unfortunately, Apple's, usually predictable, annual release pattern is hard to pin down when it comes to the AirPods. As the AirPods are still a first-generation product, we can't use previous releases to predict a release date like we can with the iPhone, the iPad and the Apple Watch. According to respected KGI security analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, who has often been correct about Apple releases in the past, the second generation of AirPods will be released in the second quarter of 2018. AirPods 2 design. Apple's AirPods have stayed the same classic white for years and years, and the AirPods did not deviate. We doubt Apple will deviate from lovable white for the AirPods 2, but we can certainly dream. The iPhone and the Apple Watch come in a variety of colors, so why not extend these colors to the AirPods 2? AirPods 2 features. 1. Biometric sensors. Apple is a big fan of biometric sensors, implementing health and security features such as a heart rate monitor, Touch ID and Face ID into the Apple Watch and the iPhone, so this one doesn't really come out of left field. In July 2017, Apple was granted their third patent regarding biometric sensors in the AirPods. This patent details a biometric sensor within the AirPods that can take measurements when pressed up against your ear. The sensor will allow users to measure their own internal temperature. 2. Automated audio pass-through. An Apple patent passed in July 2017 details an acoustic pass valve, a flap that can be opened to let sound from the environment into your ears. 3. A speaker hybrid. Apple patented this way back in 2011, but it was only granted in February 2017. This patent describes how headphones can turn into speakers by using special sensors that can detect when the headphones are placed at a specific angle.